The finance module in an ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning System, is the backbone of any organization's financial management. It serves as a centralized platform for managing all financial activities, ensuring that every financial transaction is recorded, tracked, and reported accurately. This module helps companies maintain a clear picture of their financial health and ensures compliance with regulatory requirements. Key functions of the finance module. The finance module covers a wide range of functions essential for financial management. These include general ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable, asset management, cash management, and financial reporting. By integrating these functions, the module ensures that financial data flows seamlessly across the organization, reducing errors and improving efficiency. General ledger. The general ledger, GL, is the core component of the finance module. It acts as the central repository for all financial transactions. Every financial activity within the organization, such as sales, purchases, and expenses, is recorded in the general ledger. This allows businesses to generate financial statements, like the balance sheet and income statement, which provide a snapshot of the company's financial position at any given time. Example: a retail company can track its revenue and expenses in the general ledger, ensuring accurate reporting of profits and losses. Accounts payable. Accounts payable, AP, is responsible for managing the company's liabilities. This includes tracking amounts owed to suppliers, ensuring that bills are paid on time, and managing cash flow effectively. The AP function automates the invoice processing workflow, from receiving the invoice to making payments, which reduces manual errors and improves efficiency. Example: a manufacturing firm uses the accounts payable function to manage payments to its raw material suppliers, ensuring timely payments and maintaining good supplier relationships. Accounts receivable, AR, handles the money owed to the company by its customers. This function helps manage customer invoices, track payments, and ensure that all receivables are collected on time. Effective management of AR ensures healthy cash flow, which is crucial for business operations. Example: a service company uses the accounts receivable function to track client invoices and ensure timely payment, thus maintaining steady cash flow. Asset management within the finance module tracks the company's physical and intangible assets, such as machinery, vehicles, patents, and trademarks. This function helps in monitoring the depreciation of assets, ensuring accurate financial reporting, and planning for asset maintenance or replacement. Example: a construction company can use asset management to track the depreciation of its equipment and plan for future investments. Cash management. Cash management is vital for monitoring and managing the company's cash flow. It helps in forecasting cash needs, optimizing liquidity, and ensuring that the company has enough cash to meet its obligations. This function integrates with other financial functions to provide a comprehensive view of the company's cash position. Example: a retail chain can use cash management to ensure it has enough liquidity to cover payroll and supplier payments during peak seasons. Financial reporting. Financial reporting provides insights into the company's financial performance through various reports, such as income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. These reports are crucial for decision-making, helping management understand the financial implications of their strategies and operations. Example: a multinational corporation can generate consolidated financial reports for its global operations, helping the management make informed decisions. Integration with other ERP modules. The finance module is tightly integrated with other ERP modules such as sales, procurement, human resources, and supply chain management. This integration ensures that financial data from different departments is consolidated in real time, providing a holistic view of the company's financial status. Example: when a sales order is processed, the finance module automatically updates the accounts receivable and general ledger, ensuring accurate financial tracking. Real-life use case. Consider a large manufacturing company that produces automotive parts. The finance module in their ERP system enables them to manage their financial operations efficiently. They can track the cost of raw materials through the accounts payable function, monitor customer payments through accounts receivable, and manage the depreciation of machinery through asset management. By using financial reporting, they can generate accurate reports for stakeholders, helping them make informed decisions about future investments and operations. Conclusion. The finance module in an ERP system is essential for the smooth operation of any business. It provides a comprehensive platform for managing all financial activities, ensuring accuracy, efficiency, and compliance. By integrating with other modules, the finance module helps businesses maintain a clear, real-time view of their financial health, which is crucial for making informed decisions and sustaining growth.